Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So we decided to do another mod to the F30. This one's gonna be a pretty cheap mod, real quick. Like if you want to do it, it's gonna take you maybe 5 minutes to do. Okay, so what I did, the mod I'm talking about, right, is the light that lights up when you open the door. The door's still light. So the finished product I'm gonna get to show you guys at nighttime, because right now you won't be able to see it like as best as you possibly can. But we're gonna run through the installation and I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is. So the product that I actually have is the Ghost Shadow Light. So this one costs about like 20 bucks and you got all four. So it's for the 4 doors. Some cars only have it for the fronts. My car, this F30, or actually I should say most F30s have it for all 4 doors. So this one has the pack of 4. Inside this box, you're just gonna get the actual lights in the packages and a little extension wire. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put all that on. For the installation, all you're gonna need is this bad boy right here. It's just a flathead. I just use this really thin one just because it gets into the light without breaking the trim. If you got a bigger flathead, I would be very careful. You can use trim tools and stuff, but we're gonna be ratchet today. So let me just get started and show you guys how to take it off. All right guys, so we're underneath the car now. You can see the light right here. To take this off, it's not that hard. You just put your flathead and pop that off real easy like that, all right? So our next step, and as you can see, this one, I actually installed it to show you guys. So your actual light will be connected to this little thing right here. What I'm gonna do, this little extension, as you can see, has the 2 prongs. It's connected to the actual light piece. What we're to do with this is to connect it to the already wire housing that's already here. So now I want y'all to kind of take a closer look. As you can see, there are 2, 1, 2. It's silver. So that's where we're gonna insert the connection into those 1, 2s, the silver. All right, now once we put it in, it's real easy. You're just gonna kind of get in there and tuck the wire, and then just boom. Just a little force, and you're gonna tuck that in. Now we're gonna check to see if it's working. I like to hold my finger right underneath, and I see the light. So let me show you guys real quick. You can see. I see it right there, little M sign. So I'm gonna do that to all 4 doors and I'll be back when I'm done. All right, so I just finished the installation on all 4 doors. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna put a clip for when it's nighttime so you can actually see how the lights look. So what I decided to do with the OEM, the old ones, I just stuck them in here. So let me show you. These are what the OEMs look like. It's kind of disgusting. I just stuck these into the bag, and I'm just gonna put it right back into the box just so you know I have it, but doubt that I'm gonna need it. These lights look pretty good. We're gonna check it out though at night. Well, here it is. This is the final product. The image is pretty clear. I mean, I like it, and you get it on all 4 doors. Like that. M gang. Let them know it's M Sport, you know what I'm saying?